At the edge of town, on a country-sized lot, this is a very special bungalow with incredible inside storage for 5 or more vehicles. First up, on the main floor, is the front door and revealed to the living room with a picture window view. Just beyond is the granite kitchen, matched up with walnut-stained cabinets. The countryside views start here. That's a spur line, not a frequent route here. The garage entrance is close by. More on that in a moment. All on the same floor are the bedrooms and main bath, which features ensuite access from the master. Down below, welcome to House 2.0. This is a self-contained suite with a trio of rooms inside. The sliding patio door at grade level shows off this extensive living space. Down the hall is another casual area built into the kitchen. The bedroom is pictured here along with the full bath. The garage is a custom install. The suspended slab of the second garage area means another drive-in garage from the backyard. That's radiant heat built in. This is perfect for any car enthusiast. Great for heated winter storage of your summer ride. To view by private appointment, your next call is to RE/MAX Inspired Living Realty at 519-650-5800.